Hi viewers, this is Dr. Gunamanijana and you are watching video with me on React.js. In our first video on this React.js, I have shown you how to download and how to install this React.js, and you might have seen that you are using the command npx space create -react -app. You can write the app name here or the dot slash, you put it here and enter. Then npm the create React.js, so it will, this command will create the entire things. What it is created, you can see it here. The node module is created, the entire thing, the bean catch and all the things, everything you can see it here. This is the by default node module is created. Then a folder public is created. For the important things we find regarding this index.html. In the index.html you can see it here. By default so many things will be there, and what are the comments section that you remove, that is not necessary. I removed all the comment section, and here it will be there. Just to focus it here, we are having the div inside the body. So the div id is equal to root, that you remember, that id we are giving the root, and here to introduce something we are using the scripting language script. Okay, so script and close script closing tag. Then type is equal to module. This is the things we added, and I am creating a app.js that I put source is equal to, because you know how to introduce a JavaScript inside the HTML, you know, but here there is no question of HTML. This is the only, in your public you are having one HTML, but inside the source, what about the things, because mostly we will be using the src folder, there we will be creating the JS, and actually what is the HTML we will be using, we will call it JSX. Okay, JSX. Okay, JavaScript with XML. So now here what we added, script space type is equal to module. This is the things I added, and source is equal to where is the main thing, it is app.js, index.js or app.js. I am putting app.js here, right? So this is the thing it is done. Then I close this public here. Then coming to the source, we have two important folder here, that is the app.js and index.js. So I am coming to the app.js here. If you see the app.js, okay, there are so many programs that is there, so I close all the things, don't worry at this time. So all the things I control, okay, comment all the things. Then I comment here. When you see the app.js folder, by default it is created, you will find the entire thing here. What you see up to this, it will be there. Okay, so control this one, fine. So now there the first one, import logo from logo.svg is not required. Just you just back and control, just you comment it. Then what you are doing, just 1 minute. What you have done here, one is the app.js, one is the index.js. okay, so in the app.js what I am writing, I am declaring your function person, constant person. So key function I am arrow, key function I am arrow function I am using it here. So this return, suppose I am putting name is equal to Gunamani, last name is equal to Jana, and age is equal to 60, whatever things are there. So this is I creating the person. Okay, then I am using another app, constant app. Here also return div class name is equal to app. What is the meaning of? Actually it is a class, because class is a reserved keyword here, so you can use class. Instead I am using the class name. So this is the concept of class. So div class name is equal to app. What is this app? What are the app I am using it here? And this function what I call person, where I have given the name, last name, age, etc. I am calling that person here. Suppose I want to repeat the same thing here again and 2-3 times. So same thing you can repeat it, control C, and I put it here, control V, and I put it here, control V, fine. Suppose this is the thing. Okay, so this is the thing, 3 times I want to call these things. Then second thing is that I have to go for the index.js. In the index.js you see here, import react from react, import react DOM. You know the job of this DOM. Okay, so to access the content of your HTML and all things, you know the DOM, react DOM from a react DOM client, and import index.css, the cascading style sheet part is there. Import app from ./app, and import report web headers from this thing. It is okay. Then what I did here, only thing, remember that we are adding this app here one, and report, this is the only thing it is done here in the index.js. So there is no much thing here. So only thing we put it there, app, I are calling it here. Then coming to the app.js, you can see here I am putting the import but I don't think. Okay, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. Let me see. This is the thing we have. Okay, now what I am going to tell you, this is the part you have to fine. So now what you have done, so import dot slash app.cs. So constant person is equal to this. I am putting all the things, then I am putting all the things, right? So now if I try to run this one, what is the command to start these things, you will be knowing. So npm start. Okay, that is the npm. Sorry, this is the, it will come npm start. Okay, once you start this npm start, you can see, yeah, it's still running. Yeah, can you see it here, what is coming? Because 2 times I repeated the same thing, and the name is Gunamani, last name is equal to Jana, age is equal to 60, and all the things it is done here. Okay, fine. So now you go back here, you come in here, and you, how many times you have repeated only? I did not save, I think, after this. Okay, I have not saved it. Okay, fine. So this is what you have done till now. You have seen. Now suppose, okay, so I close all the things now. This is up to this control. So then what I do it here, yeah, just I will show you. Fine. Now you see it here, I am using the props object here. So import the same thing with that constant person, I am using the object props. Okay, then return same thing. What I am name I am giving directly. Name is Gunamani and last name is Jana and age is 60 or something I am putting it there. No, instead of that what I am putting, because when I pass this value here, prop.name means what is the name you are giving, it will take the first name, and last name also what is there given, and age also will take it here. Here what I am passing it here, I am writing, I am creating app here also, constant app. So this is the arrow function, return deep class name is equal to app, that you have to put it here. Then person name is equal to I am giving Gunamani, and last name I am putting Jana, and age is equal to 60. So this what are the numerical values, put it in the curly braces like that. This is the thing, only remember. Then person name is Swasis, I am putting another one, and last name is equal to Jana, age is equal to 20. So these are things, and by default you have to go for the export default. Okay, so if I save it, Control S, this is the thing. Okay, so complete successful. Now you check it here. So if you go to your things here, now see previously same name was repeated, Gunamani Jana, but now the name is coming Gunamani, last name is coming Jana, and age is coming 60, and the name is coming Subhasis, and last name is also coming Jana, last name is the surname, and age is coming 20. So fine. So this is what exactly we people are able to do, and this is the thing we can do using this thing. Okay, so this is one of the way how you can use React.js. Okay, so fine. In our next video, because here also you can see the how we are doing all the things. Okay, then you can clearly see here all these files by default are created. Okay, and you can create also app.css or some other things also, you can create it there. So that we will see in our next video. Thank you for watching this video. So if you like this video, please do share with your friends, and have a good day.